Hey ladies, how you doing? So I created this quick look. I did a little story time going on. Not like a story time, but just talking about how I have my little situation. I'm trying to get to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go today. I'll let you know tomorrow. I'll let you know some other day on if I got in. But before we get into that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that link down below and click the bell so you won't miss another video of mine. But yes, here's a quick little makeup look. Just stay tuned and see what I do. Let's get right in. I'm a little lopsided with my shirt. My shirt can be moving up around, but that's okay. So I gotta do some errands today. I want to put some makeup on. I do have to put a mask on. I did get some of them surgical blue masks from Amazon. If you haven't got yours, go ahead and go get you some. They got N95s. They got the little blue ones that you see normally in your doctor's office. Just get you some so you can be protected. And I have another little piece that can go over it. So, but I want to put on some makeup because I want to look cute. So, I'm going to go to Trader Joe's. I'm not going nowhere fancy dancy. So, if I have it on, you know, in the store when I come out, I can still kind of get my face together. So vain, right? So, I'm going to put this foundation on. Again, if you have not seen my review on this foundation, go check it out. I'm not saying I love. I was going to say I love. I really like this foundation. It's nice, it's light, and it looked good in pictures. So I just want to see how it is, you know, going out. I did go outside, like on the porch, stuff like that, but I really want to kind of, you know, just play with it when I go outside. So, yeah, I did put some primer on. I use this right here. This is the NYX Honey Glow Me Up. It's already, you know, done dried up on my face. And I want to put something underneath. Yesterday, I didn't feel like this foundation was on the matte side, but I felt like it wouldn't have hurt it if I put that on. So I don't think I'm going to get too oily. I just kind of felt like I just need a little bit of extra, you know, moisture. So I put that on. So yeah. So just see, I only use about maybe a pump and a half. And I put a little bit over my lids. So there you have it, a pump and a half. That's good. Nothing too crazy. But yes, this foundation is really nice. If you haven't checked out my review, check the review out. I'll leave a card up at top so you can go ahead and check it out. So I did my brows. My brows, I just used my, where I have it here, my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Nothing too fancy. I want to use it up. I have like a little bit left and I just got to keep twisting. You know how that goes when you use the product to the end. I have a new brow pencil and I have another one, but I really want to use that one up. Just kind of finish it out. I got maybe two more brows to go, two more sets. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. I'm going to keep my eyes pretty simple. I was looking at this shade today and I was like, you know what, this would be really cute to put on to have a nice, just a fresh, natural look. So I'm going to go into my chocolate bar palette. If you have it, ladies, pull it out. That's the problem now. We buy all this stuff and we don't use it. So we're going to start using it. And I'm going to get me a little brush here. And I'm going to go into milk chocolate, which is this shade right here. I want to get another palette, but oh guys, I need to really dive deep into that Morphe palette. And that palette is in a whole nother room. And you know, I'm a kind of person where I like to have palettes like this or a smaller palette. So you know, you really you gotta have room for that palette. You guys know how I feel about that. I talked about that palette in my my palette video. I really got to get some use out of that darn thing. If you have that palette, let me know down below. The Morphe 3502 palette. Or even the 350, the regular one, the first one. Or even, I think they have a third one too. If you have any of them, let me know down below because I need a partner so we could use that palette together. Because, you know, I need to use it. Okay, I think I put enough of this on. A little bit more. Okay. So the shade that I want to use, let me get my little plastic thing out. Oh my God, marzipan? is this shade right here. That must be. I want to put that on my lid. So, let's go. Ooh, that is so pretty. You see how bright that is? Like how much payoff that is? It's amazing how you buy all these palettes. And this is a shade that I haven't even digged in. Okay. So I'm going to go in back into Milk Chocolate. Just get a little bit. I'm just going to go in the crease to just kind of smooth it out so it won't look choppy. I'm just going to use 2 colors today. Nothing too crazy. You know how I feel. Less is best. Especially when you want to have a nice, clean look. You can go ahead if you do want to jazz it up and you just can't help yourself. You can go ahead and you can darken in your outer V right here, or you can kind of just darken in your crease with something else or brighten it up if you will. But yeah, I'm going to keep it super simple. Okay? That's it. And everything will be linked down below. Everything will be linked down below. So what I'm going to get into now, I'm just going to go ahead and put some highlight on for my highlight today. I'm going to use my Lorac. I have a smaller one. I didn't get the bigger one, as you see. Still have this one, so I didn't really need to go and get a bigger one. And what are some highlights you like? I really want to get a drugstore one. I don't know why. I really just want to get a drugstore highlight. I don't know. Almost forgot a step. I need some concealer. Putting on highlight already. I'm going to use my NARS. It's okay. I did put some highlight down there. It's okay. I'm not going to put too much. I'm going to use my Pixie just to kind of moisten up my sponge. I'm sitting here. I'm rushing because, now since everyone is home, well, not everyone, minus the essential workers, which I thank you guys. If some of you are essential workers, I thank you. Because the less of us, the more of us that are out, the more it's going to spread. The people that got to be out there and the other ones who don't have to, it makes it better for those people to be out there so they can actually do their job and they won't get infected, So people need to really understand the less people that are out, the slow, it goes down. Then that gives them enough time to kind of, control some other things. Oh, I love this concealer. Ugh. But yeah, I'm rushing because let me tell you what happened to me. I've been trying to get to Trader Joe's for like the last 4 or 5 days. So when I get off work, I'm trying to get out there and I'm driving and I'm going to Trader Joe's. When I get there, the line is out the door and it's around the corner. Okay? Around the corner. And Kelly's not, I'm not standing on nobody's line. No, we're not doing that. This is not, I'm just not doing it. I don't have enough in me to do it. So I just turn around, make a U-turn, get out the parking lot, get back on the highway, and call it a day. And I'm not going to another Trader. I'm not going to go to like 2 towns over to another Trader Joe's. I'm not doing that. So we're going to try again. But then I had to sit back. On the 4th day, I realized, Kelly, you're going to Trader Joe's when the essential workers get off work, well, some of them that get off work, now they're in the store. And then the essential workers that work at night, they're in the store during the day. So I'm like, Kelly, you're not playing this right. And don't go on the weekend because that's when everybody's out. So I said, Kelly, you got to figure this out. You really got to figure this out. So I said, okay. I got a new powder, y'all. I'm going to try this one today. This is the Fit Me. This is in Deep Fit Me Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in Deep. Let's see. I'm cracking it open. That's a good oh God. That's a good feeling when you can crack it open. Especially in the drugstore. Lord have mercy. So I'm going to cut a little bit out. Okay. Ooh, look a little dark. For under eye. Huh. Oh, it looks good. I like it. Got a new powder, y'all. I like it. And you know what? It looks like it's gonna help with like my T-zone area. it looks really, really matte right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get around the nose area. I like it. And I don't set. I don't do all that powder and then, I mean, all that foundation. Can't even get it. I don't do all that concealer, smear it on, and then put the setting powder on and bake and all that. I don't do that. I just mash it in. This looks really good. Oh God, this is a good buy, y'all. Goodbye. Happy. Okay. Now I'm going to get into my bronzer. I haven't found a bronzer yet, guys, so I'm still waiting for some recommendations if you guys have some. I was gonna order the Fenty one, Cocoa Naughty, but I don't know. I missed out on the sale for Sephora. But like I was saying about Trader Joe's, I just want to get a few things. That's all I want to do is get a few things. So I'm gonna try my luck today. We're gonna go early, and yeah. Let me put some more highlight on. Where's my highlight? Psst, some powder. I said light makeup, right? Didn't I say light makeup? I'm gonna have to put a scarf on my face. I'm gonna have lines. All this for Trader Joe's, right? For those of you who shop at Trader Joe's, what are some of your favorite snacks? My favorite snacks is the plantains, the butter cookies, I think they call biscuits or something like that. My girlfriend just told me to try their carrot cake. Every time I go, the carrot cake is gone. So I can't try that out. They have these ice cream cones. And they have like cheesecake little bites. The wrong time to be eating snacks, right? The wrong time. But hey. Well, you know, if you don't have Trader Joe's snacks, what snacks do you like? What snacks do you like? Where do you go? Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put on my mascara, or my liner, and my mascara. I bought a new mascara. I don't even know where I put it. I keep reaching for this guy, and I can't find my... Y'all, that's probably when you buy makeup and you don't know where you put it. So now I got to go reach for what I have. Time to put that lippy on. So, you know I love my espresso from NYX. I wanted to try a more higher end lip liner, but one of my friends told me to just keep sticking to this particular lip liner because it compliments me. So you can change your lipstick, you can change your shades, you know, give or take, and if you want to go lighter or darker or whatever, but kind of keep your lip line the same. So I was like, you know what? I don't want to go too dark. I want to go a little bit lighter. This is definitely brownie. I'm going to use my new Maybelline lipstick that I did purchase. This is Poet. This is more on the pinky side. I figured it would complement my lid. So let's see. I hope it's not too pinky. Ooh, this is pinker than I thought it was going to be. You guys know I like more of a nude. I like more of a light nude, neutral nude. This is pink. This is definitely a little bit different from my liking. So I'm going to go ahead and put this lip gloss. This is a NYX Butter Gloss. It's called Fortune Cookie. I'm going to put this over to kind of tone it down some. Okay, ladies, so here you have it. Here's the look. The lips is a little bit pinky, a little bit different from me, but you know, we'll take it. I got a little lip gloss on my teeth. I can feel it. But yeah, this is like a nice, natural, on-the-go makeup look. All of this for Trader Joe's, right? All of this for Trader Joe's, and to possibly have to stand on a line. But I gotta go. I gotta get my snacks. That's all I got right now. It's snacks. So I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.